So I got a 2021 Apple MacBook Pro that I run and I love, and I wanted to dock it into my station, and this is where this HyperDrive came to play. So essentially, I'm running two different monitors. I'm also running an XLR microphone with a Wave XLR audio interface. I got an 18 mini, which is a mixer for cameras. I got a Stream Deck Elgato, which allows me to bring lower thirds and a bunch of other stuff here into my video productions and things like that. Like I said, two different monitors as well. I do got a couple different memory hard drive, one that is 12 terabytes and another one that is 2 terabytes. So again, this computer usually gets docked into this. So it's very, very simple. I come into my office, I place my computer on the stand, everything turns on, I'm ready to record, I'm ready to produce videos and all that. If I want to work at a different location, I just undo it and I go to a different location. That's one of the great things about something like this, the HyperDrive 10-in-2 USB-C docking. So essentially, this thing allows you to do all that I'm talking about, right? You could run monitors with no issues. You could even connect it to the internet. I haven't done that, but again, you could do that as well. So again, what this is offering to a lot of you guys out there is just the comfort to be able to sit down in your office and to be able to connect two simple things into your computer, and now your computer is able to operate all these things, right? You don't have to mess with the cables. You don't have to connect a bunch of cables. It's just a cable coming out of the docking station connected to the computer, and you're ready to go. I'm going to tell you, I have this for Wix right now, and I love it.